striking po ang key one years na hindi mo. So, ask ko lang. Where do you get target po sa high school? Lahat ng mga prizes or mga iPad Apple?
Actually, ang bulk ng cash prizes came from the Gigi Borja Endowment Fund, represented here by the family of the late Mayor Justiniano Borja, si Justice Romy Borja, si Mrs. Christine Sagarbaria, and sa pamilya niya. Bulk of the cash prizes, no? And then the iPad is donated by William Malagar of Global Kids and member of the Rotary Club of West CDO. Katong balanse, also donated by Rotarians like Rotarian Big Manzano, like Rotarian Big Seldran,
Remy,
Alvito, mga Rotarians na siya. And then the family of Amy Avellanosa.
yes.
So, paano siya? Chip in ba? Kaya we all believe in this project. So, close to 300,000 every year. But half of this, no? 150,000 of this is coming from every year, from the Gigi Borja Endowment Fund.
Okay, thank you, sir. Second, my question is to Waynard. Sir, diod sa manin mo ibuhat mo ano, ikaw mo pinakadaugan.